Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Suraksha Courtyard, which is located in Gotigere, Bannerghatta, Bangalore, a project developed by Suraksha. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel and this is the marketing office of the project. And now about the land parcel is just behind me over here, where the construction work, the excavation work for now is in progress. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with this beautiful miniature. So the project will be constructed on total 4.5 acres of land parcel, consisting of 3 towers in all, with each tower rising up to 19 floors, that is with 2 basement ground and then 19 floors, which comes up with 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, and the project is located on Shankar Nag Road in Gotigere, Bannerghatta, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So this is the Shankar Nag Road, and this side you can connect towards Kotnur. And the opposite side road will connect you towards Bannerghatta main road in just few meters. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Bannerghatta road in 500 meters. Nice Ring Road is 1.5 kilometers away. Gotigere metro station is 3 minutes away. Hulimau metro station is 10 minutes away. Bannerghatta National Park is just 8 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities let me show you through this miniature again. Here's the Club Elan, that is the clubhouse, the grand clubhouse, which comes with all the indoor games. Other amenities like of kids play area, garden area, skating ring. Here's the basketball court, multi-purpose court, cricket pitch and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with exclusive 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK starting from 1745 to 1782 square feet. 4 BHK starting from 2485 to 2675 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project details along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Suraksha Courtyard, located in Gotigere, Bannerghatta, Bangalore, a project developed by Suraksha.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.